Esema ye also you look at it from two angles. Be one person. I look at things not from only one perspective. In the sense that I believe say emre ena echire bibia when I say be ya na say anything enyi me and makapi be want na adakranko tia nka be me de pa okaya mepese ye beto ye boas kakran the fact say papa ever prosper na ti ogun am pay for pound no nanka o ma you have done better than Karim Zitu ebeye no they also say time papa ever ogun eba ni second 10 one no yan compare obo ni full season ni wie no so about 2 season bo kwam dey no Jeremiah club no
ando hwe
so wan dey last season some point internet in enkoyi Zitu despite the fact say I believe say for the past game remember enkoyi for my club no baby with that so by no competitive ones last tournament obo je ka ba kotona wanje for my club no
sure.
So what means is that it's true. We have to let them know what they are not doing right. Because they are entirely wrong on their part. And the sense, and then your off season. Clubs there are support to Amani. Some more preseason games. Man United, you bought the Premier League in Hong Kong. I'm not calling you. Mama will some not Hong Kong. That preseason tournament now boy. I'm not calling you. And the league initially won 2 months of winning the game. And the preseason, normally a vampam coach. And he said, we have got Kotoko now. It doesn't matter what I say. So I top 4 ever won the best thing to have ever happened to the club Kotoko. And the sense right now, I'm always seeing to our club name. Also, many Obuchetia or so this is not a time for them to panic. Because if you panic, never be able to cry. And today, all preseason games, top 4, 3 games, never have my club. No? But the Queen the Kwame, young try and say, Queen, media signers, no Kwame, the sense, yeah, football, 7 pediasa, and yeah, goodie. And the football, a multi-million-dollar investment infrastructure. That's a idea of over the scary everywhere. And when you venture into football, no so roll for the money aspect of the game. Not because we don't say man for any squad planning one of the best ever thing as a club you can do to make sure your club will be kept afloat. And then now the player got concrete kindly. And they have that now they have 10 players in the common Kotoko. For now, Obianko and Mbekono, new players SNO. Now don't come 14 new players. And I have it from grapevine source said, it must have a players home.
You must sign.
I must sign the account. I must sign the account. No, 2. Say about have that another account. Take 1. Or another account will be. By the end, they're doing 15 new players. In the 10-2, there were almost 17-year-old players. And the 15 new. In the 15-year new, the man who can each and every position, go depend there everywhere that you go. Or more first, second, third, 12 goalkeepers. And they are normal. But you cannot have 3 right fullbacks. No, we say, season 9, but say, yeah, enjoy say, yeah, but FA Cup, yeah, say, yeah, my match 7 and also elsewhere almost 60 matches, 65 matches a season, but only 2 right fullbacks and about the entire season. Because only 3 players I need, or when them quality even best one. One say our Mamua players no in detail but oh Mamua. I don't believe I wouldn't my team. And man yes me kwam the be a tiro say umo with bench a child. One uncle say or go born one about the rubo or sending you. And that's what has been happening. And in the want the 3 or 4 players in the right fullbacks, 3 players or left fullbacks. Now the same players are because how much about League Europe now. And COVID company echo. Left backs 3. Oh my money. You have Joseph Amwa, Aqua, who are seeing the blame be I see them start here. Almost majority of the matches. If I say the FA Cup and everything that Chacha Meboa, they don't have aqua. It's a one ever. And normally, everywhere they go, football and injuries, part and puzzle. No, private derby. That's why you say utility players. There are some players that can play number 2, Real Madrid, and they come back last Cabal April. One of them number 2, the boy,
Kotoko utility players.
Fantastic. So we want 3 players operation there. To do that can play there. So do some here, let them go there. And yes, sir, the only PO team, bro. So they see down here, they will be a shell of swap, or the radio biswa, a kind of some for any other one. It will happen. Because football, any price a fear, so you pan doors will buy, and some doors buy a few. So you cannot be doing that because this if you want the quality players, you don't get them in those numbers. At least pushing down, you have 2-2-2 horrible. We have 2-2 at least you can get the best center backs. We have 4, and then we have 6 center backs. 6. My God, come back to say 6. I don't know. They are there, and then girls of banana maker and I can't make a gamer who say understand anything. Where center backs, anything because airborne sometimes who don't understanding between the pair. Time I some airborne, so that they are back like here. What don't you say, Opa? Sure. Because I don't airball or no ball, give airball. I just I blow prior and the air side is good. Then be mistake one to another mistake. Reason is that you are talking and the more I want to give me the chance. Then I have got another over. When I brought my hair, what the better. And I want to buy my trouble credit. And a mistake so the day said, you will sign over and fight. Why don't you look at elsewhere? Plenty of player that want to talk by the Koyabia. You know some of the track record no horrible. And then the only player I find a player or don't find the boot ever the training grounds. Shut up, Bakashabu. I don't come on to talk you.
I will justify.
So I'm trying to find the boot down.
I said, Lord Hilary Adabun so Fakaka.
Crabbing.
The government so far the games are Maheno. I think or can Hokaka.
They only compare one in team men and other compare Blay or Koi. They come one more last season, only compare one. One of the cast and a
new team no buy.
Fantastic. The problem don't know. Every year we can new team because Hilary Adabun say there is no guarantee say next year you will be in the team. Because and then they don't have HS every year BRO. Abuswa and not less than 15 players ever team. So how do you get a continuity? It's in your side of the fire. Almost all the players because they are all sitting here talking about the players. But yes, I good. I won't talk no. So what metrics are you using for the club? It is because young motivator. Young talk. The same the mechanic was say people scale on community team no bra. Come on, say can the club nana. See young top players, young to go to who will be on bar whatever the club no. And they players got 4 of those new players no. You have some echo. Already set to echo back on put them on answer no. Or boy out about echo that player victorious why no. So you go.
Okay, so man sign.
No, I'm your first secretariat. The maker say, so who is the scout of the club? Kotoko. What else scout the Kotoko? Because a big club Kotoko, you have get a scout. Who to me so say, Kotoko down with it. Many BSI players, me who nipa or just a players. I don't know. The man must say, where Real Madrid make a good level. The Kwame, or man will make him IB. Real Madrid form to offer Judy Calafat. The idea say, say America horrible. Young player going to be a talent no. No more the skill set. No more say Ndaba. And they all can Vini. We got Valverde, Rodrigo, Andre Romo. On the minimum, on the way who some make no Madrid ball color for years to come. And some anybody. And I can't branch of Albion. They can't be Liverpool. And to those big clubs, what makes them big is that they have that scouting network, LLOB. And they got someone they know how to scout the players. Not just because team and the one will turn up. Players be here, be everybody again and there too. So come on, also this is what we are planning the team for. And today is a player and a day or down man. And just say we are down one for every team, Daddy. Can you fit into the team? And today some back to the private mama team that conquer or back into the team. Yes, sir. I believe the beard, you can't do no. You're not my next set to come out the same thing. So going forward, they have to have a good scouting network to sign players for the team. And then almost each and every side of Biaba and Pramaso January yeah, who sign best 6 players. And who doesn't have team? And the maintain English like Ada can be taken. And the crew almost echoing. And then the sales must always echoing. 80 January transfer almost some echoing. What's be June, July, August, almost as a not just till day in, day out, a month for a boca, a club, a honorable. And for me, because your player, the team bearing, Efimu, Kwame, so don't care, or you get over because the ones run the club of Boko. And I am the same, also the Sahara. So I can't have to see Africa, and Pia, I can make a go check the
Kasim Bis.
I want to say those seconds, whatever seconds, right? 7 stars, some. I'm one at all for the arm back. And I don't see what channel chapel, I don't see their combination kappa. I can one ring up Kubamo Kwame, I can beer and pay for the AK, can I say the AK?
Medase. Why?